This is a spotlight that I designed for my brother's boat. It's designed to mount on a 1 1/4 inch railing that's on the boat. You can see this back panel here for the motor box. That's made out of grocery bags. Like usual, it's all made of stuff that I found laying around. Basically, here's the controls, and you can swivel it. Fan cooled inside. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, you can see the fan. Of course, my trademark nickel is embedded in the plastic. But so we can sit in the driver's console and see what's going on at night. It's not quite as bright as my junky looking flashlight, but I can add a brighter LED in there later. And then let's see, here's the control electronics. Just a couple relays, and I'm running it off of a battle pack that I used 20 years ago at BattleBots.